morning, dear students. Our lesson today is congruency. Rami asked his father, "How do we verify the congruency of two figures practically?" His father said, "Follow the following steps, Rami. Get a sheet of tracing paper and copy the first figure. Flip the tracing paper on the second figure and move it till you get the two figures identically on each other, such that you can see only one figure. Then you become sure that the two figures are congruent." Two polygons are congruent if their corresponding lines or sides are equal in length, the corresponding angles are equal in measure. Two squares are congruent if the side length of one of them is equal to the side length of the other. Two rectangles are congruent if the length of one of them is equal to the length of the other and the width of one of them is equal to the other. Like in this example, we have rectangle X, Y, Z, L, and A, B, C, D. These two rectangles are going to be congruent if side AB equal to XY, AB equal to XY, and the side BC equal to YZ. Two triangles are equal if their corresponding sides are equal in length. We have two triangles, the first one ABC and the other one XYZ. These two triangles are congruent if side AB equal to the side XY and the side BC equal to the side YZ and the side AC equal to the side XZ. Now in the opposite figure, if AB equal to XY and BC equal to YZ, CD equal to ZL, DA equal to LX, and if the measure of angle A equal to the measure of angle X, and the measure of angle B equal to the measure of angle Y, the measure of angle D equal to the measure of angle L, and the measure of angle C equal to the measure of angle Z. Then these two polygons are congruent. Then ABCD is congruent, and this is the sign of congruency, three dashes over each other, X, Y, Z, L. And please, the order is very important. If I'm going to start with A, B, C, and D, you have to start from X, Y, Z, L on the other polygon. Now in this exercise, if A, B, C, D is congruent, and the sign of congruency again, we have E, F, G, H. Then AB will be equal to which side on the other figure? Excellent. Equal to EF. GH is going to be equal to which side? Super. CD. Measure of angle A is going to be equal to which angle? Measure of angle E. And measure of angle C will be equal to measure of angle G. So the polygon DCBA is congruent to which figure? And from where I'm going to start? Super. I'm going to start from the H, G, F, and E. Now, from your school book, page 53, exercise number 1. I'm going to put right for the correct statement and wrong for the incorrect one, and correct the wrong statement. A scalene triangle can be congruent with an isosceles triangle. False. Why? Because they cannot be congruent. Number B, a square of side length 7 cm can be congruent with a rectangle of dimensions 7 cm and 5 cm, and the word dimensions means length and width. Also false. Why? Because they cannot be congruent. Number C, two right-angled triangles are congruent if the two right sides in the first triangle equal the two right sides in the other. True. Your homework will be in the booklet, page 26 and 27. Thanks a lot.